guys, hold on. Where are we going? What are we doing? You guys
To school. A new school.
Wait, what?
A new school.
A new school what? What are we doing?
We're going to school to learn. We're walking to school every single day. See you at school. I'm not gonna really know my teacher's name.
Yeah.
Can you get this too? Come on. You hold my hand at Walmart.
Yeah. Hi guys. I'm on the side.
Oh, you didn't get our heart? That's a house. We're almost to the school, so.
Please leave your message for 409.
Well, he didn't answer, so let's try again.
Please leave your message.
So, welcome to my new house. As you guys may be able to tell, I'm in a different location and trying to get a little bit of work done before I get started on my video today. For those who are new here, my name is Evan Andrews, and here on my channel we talk everything creative from filmmaking to photography, even graphic design. Today is going to be a video that is just a little bit of insight into my life and my personal space here. As I mentioned, we moved this weekend, so I have to reset up my entire office studio space. So this house that we're in now, we do have a little bit more room, so I can get a little bit more creative, but right now it's a little bit crazy here. Let me show you guys. Right now, it is a madhouse in here. We were able to get maybe about 75% of everything in place. But as you can see, we still have a lot of stuff to do. Our living room, we got our TV hung, that was a big thing. Internet up and running. But yeah, so again, today is going to be a kind of vlog style video of, we are going to set up my new office. So you guys are just gonna see some of, what I think I wanna do. Right now I have it set up in a pretty much all-in-one move, or all-in-one easy move. Everything, I just have to unplug the desk from the wall and I can just slide it wherever I want. So it's already kind of set up. We just want to move some stuff around and, come up with a cool setup. So you guys stay tuned and I'm going to get started moving everything around. And yeah, so pick back up with you guys soon. All right, so when we originally got here a few days ago, I had all my stuff in this corner. We figured out that the outlet over here didn't work, and then later figured out it was triggered by that switch over there. But my wife and I decided that her stuff, since this desk is hers, and some of these other things, like she has a heat press and her computer as well, she wants that to be in this corner, as you kind of see that first when you walk in our home. And I do not care. So my stuff is gonna go over here on this wall in this area. I'm thinking about this being my gear shelf, desk, secondary desk, and yeah, that's gonna kind of be it. So I gotta get all of the rest of this stuff moved up out the way so I can get this desk over there and these desks and shelves over here. So stay tuned and I'm gonna keep moving stuff. All right, so now we've got my wife's stuff out of the way. Now I've got to work on my stuff. So yeah, I think this wall, you'll probably be my gear wall, and then I'll put my desk over here. And then I think I want to do something cool with my wife's little setup, but I kind of explained it to her already, but I don't know if she likes it, but I think I'm gonna do it and just see. And if she doesn't like it, I'll fix it later, who cares? So let's get the rest of these things switched up and moved, and then on to the fun part where we're gonna light it up with some LEDs, hopefully. I think I have some adhesive. If I don't, it'll be for another day. But yeah, I'm gonna get the rest of the stuff moved, and you guys stay tuned. So you don't scratch up your floors. Okay, so last few things over here, and then I get to put it all back together. So stay tuned. All right, so I'm gonna text her a picture of this. I guarantee you she says she does not like that. I love it because it feels like an office, but I'm gonna text a picture and just see what she has to say. We wait and see. So now I'm gonna set up Logan's desk for the time being. She doesn't know. She said wait till she gets home, but who knows? So Logan's desk for now, and I put everything back. And that is that for right now. So Logan's desk, great. My wife's, I don't know yet. And my stuff here, I'm gonna kind of button it up and tweak it around, but I'll turn the camera, we'll change the camera angle, a little bit more of a fast, quick montage, and let's see what the finished product looks like. So let's go. All right, so I'm taking a little bit of a break right now. It's a little hot in here. I got to turn the AC on in February, but that's how it is down here in Texas. But I'm most of the way done right now. It looks pretty good. I'm gonna turn this around and show you guys. So Logan's desk is pretty much put together. My wife's area is what I think it's gonna be. Could change possibly, but as you see, my area here is about 60% of the way done, and I couldn't be happier. I'm going to get some little lighting LED strips put in and maybe set up some studio lighting in here. I'm not sure yet. I still package it up every Thursday anyway for podcast shooting, so I don't know what it's going to be like here. I think I'm going to try and get another set and have something that just stays up all the time and I don't have to keep up and down, up and down, up and down. So that's going to probably be my next expense, but who knows when that's going to happen, probably here in a few weeks or so. But yeah, so I'm going to kind of change the angle up here a little bit more and you guys can see kind of my final touches and what I'm doing for my LED strips. And then I'm going to kind of put some of this back together and we'll wrap it up for the day. So I appreciate you if you're still watching and stay tuned. Lots of extra USBs for lights or charging ports or whatever I need. All right, everybody, so I am just about done for the day. As you can see here behind me, I got some of the lights set up on my desk and got it kind of all illuminated. I'm gonna make some minor tweaks here and there as, you know, weeks go by and we kind of get the rest of our stuff unpacked. But, you know, this is the next part of my journey in life, and, you know, I hope the next year brings a lot of good for me and for you guys that are watching out there. So I know you guys come here to learn a little bit and, you know, get a little bit more insight on me. So I hope this was kind of a good behind the scenes and you guys can see how I live a little bit. While it might be a little crazy and messy now, we will get it all fixed and figured out. So once again, thank you everybody for watching today, and if you did not at the beginning of this video, please go like this video, subscribe to the channel where we are talking everything filmmaking to photography and even graphic design. So until next Friday, I will see you guys then. Peace out.